All right, y'all. Today we back down at the berry patch and I am cleaning it up a little bit. So just wanted to show y'all what's going on. Got some raspberries on this one. Coming in, we'll see how they taste when they're ready. If they ever get ready, because anything can happen. And I've been having to keep looking at it because bugs trying to get to it. But been wiping them off as I see it. Been eating the leaves down. I'm not sure what kind of bug it was, what type of caterpillar it was, but yeah, this is the Canby Raspberry. It got 2 new shoots on the bottom from that main stem. I can't wait to try those out. Heritage is growing. It's not doing nothing too bad. I had this before a couple years ago in a pot. Got some raspberries from it. The only one that didn't perform well was those daggone strawberries, man. I don't even think there's gonna be any strawberries on. Well, they didn't grow yet, but I did get them a little late, so I'm gonna give it some time. I ain't gonna throw it away just yet. All right, just rake this out and we done over here. All right, let's do these blackberries. Chester Blackberry, it already got flowers on it, buds and everything, and it's been performing the best out of the 2 so far. And then the Triple Crown, it looks like the main stem that was here isn't doing as well as the new stem. The new stem coming out looks pretty good and vibrant, coming from the bottom of it. So I guess that's how they grow. This is the first time I'm growing these, so we all learning together. And hopefully this will fill out soon over time. And the dewberry ain't doing nothing. It started to, but then nothing. So I'm gonna put it out there in the woods, and if it wind up doing something later, then cool, but I can't waste the space right now. But yeah, that's the berry patch update. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Till next one.